Hello future ACCA professionals, welcome back to our channel where we provide you with tips and tricks to excel in your ACCA exams. Today, we're discussing something very crucial. Common mistakes that ACCA students make often unknowingly. These mistakes can cost you valuable marks, but being aware of them can make all the difference. In this video, we'll go through 6 common pitfalls that many students encounter. By understanding these mistakes, you can avoid them and improve your chances of success. Let's dive in and make sure you're fully prepared for your ACCA exams. Mistake number 1. Failing to read the question requirements properly. Many ACCA students rush through their exam paper without fully understanding what is being asked. This can lead to answering the wrong question or missing out on key elements. Carefully reading each question ensures you identify all parts of the question and allocate your time effectively. Remember, questions often have multiple components and missing even one can cost you your marks. To avoid this, take a moment to fully read and understand the question before you start writing. Look at any easy marks within the question to boost your score. Mistake number 2, not understanding the question requirement. This mistake occurs when students misinterpret what the examiner is asking. Instead of answering the actual question, they answer what they think the question should be. This can result in the answers that are off topic or even incomplete. To avoid this, make sure you understand every aspect of the question. Take a moment to think about what is being asked and how you can best respond. Paraphrase the question in your own words to ensure you've understood it correctly. Be sure to fully grasp the requirements. Mistake number 3. Relying heavily on just route knowledge. ACCA exams are designed to test your ability to apply knowledge and not just recall facts. While knowing key concepts is important, your answers should demonstrate how you can use this knowledge in practical scenarios. Answers based purely on memory often fail to show the depth and understanding. Focus on how you can apply theories and concepts to the given situation in the given exams. Application is the key to scoring high marks. Practice applying concepts to various scenarios to improve your ability to demonstrate understanding. Mistake number 4. Not using the required format. Examiners often specify a particular format for your answers, such as a memo, report, or letter. Ignoring these instructions can result in lost marks as the format is part of the question's requirement. Each format has a specific structure and style, and following these guidelines show your ability to adhere to professional standards. Make sure you know the key formats and practice writing in them before the exam. Sometimes the examiner specifies a format like a memo, report, or letter. Follow these instructions to avoid losing marks and familiarize yourself with different formats before the exam. Mistake number 5. Predicting trends based on past papers. Many students try to predict future exam questions by studying the past papers. While past papers are great for practice, relying on them to forecast questions can be risky. Examiners change the focus of questions from year to year and new topics can be introduced. Instead, ensure your study covers the entire syllabus comprehensively. This way, you're prepared for any question that comes up. While past papers are useful for practice, don't rely on them to predict future questions. Examiners change the patterns unexpectedly, so study everything. And lastly, mistake number 6, poor time management. Many students spend too much of time on questions with few marks and run out of time for those with higher marks. Effective time management is crucial in ACCA exams. Plan your time based on marks allocated to each question and stick to your plan. If a question is worth 10 marks, spend no more than 18 minutes on it. Practice time management in your mock exams to build this skill. Allocate approximately 1.8 minutes for 1 mark questions and stick to your time limits. There you have it, 6 common mistakes to avoid in your ACCA exams. By being aware of these pitfalls and following our tips, you'll be better prepared to succeed. Remember, preparation is the key and understanding what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. Stay focused, manage your time wisely, and always read the questions carefully. With these strategies, you're on your way to achieving great results. Good luck with your studies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exam tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.